Hi, Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
About time. I know. That's what I said.
Well, I know, like, I had to come all the way. I had to drive 20 minutes to come pick you guys up.
Oh, okay. Whatever. Sorry, we're just some personal drivers.
Yeah.
But,
can you, like... Never mind.
What?
Never mind.
Can you put on your seatbelt, please?
Why?
okay, you don't need to be so rude.
I know.
You know you're talking to a TikTok star.
Okay, I don't really care.
We're going to, like, Bryce Hall's after party.
I have no idea who that is, so I don't really care.
You don't know who
You
that
don't
is?
know who Bryce Hall is.
Bryce Hall?
Bryce Hall.
Is that the kickboxer?
Oh my,
Oh my god, whatever. I need to film a TikTok real quick.
No, I'm sorry. I don't
Yeah.
allow any filming in my car. It's like
What do you mean? It's gonna be so quick.
You're literally filming
Like, I need
us.
to do this. Yeah.
This is for insurance.
This is our lives.
Yeah,
Okay, well,
like, this is my job.
You can wait till you get out.
Don't listen to him.
Okay.
Which one do you want to do?
You're
I
not.
think
What?
you said
Don't listen to
cash.
him. I have a name. What are you guys doing? That's gonna get no views. That's getting 0 views.
Let's do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, 1, 2.
That is not getting. Stop doing that.
You can't tell me what to do. Just drive. Like, I'm paying you for this.
And obviously we know what we're doing. We're making probably 100 times as much money
Yeah.
as you are.
So please just don't talk. I'm like filming something.
Don't you just hate how like people could just be TikTokers now? Like that's a job. Like I just hate that. Like it's
Don't
stupid.
you just hate people talking shit?
Like
about
people
other
don't even need to
people's
work hard
jobs?
anymore. It's like people
Okay,
don't
so
realize.
You
Back
don't
in
pay
my
my
day,
bills?
like we had to actually wake up and go to work.
Okay.
Like you guys just sleep in
Okay, whatever.
and do your little tic tac thing. Like
Definitely tag worst Uber driver ever.
I know, right?
Right? That'll get so many views.
I know, that's
We should definitely do that. Wait, what's your name? We're
I do
gonna
not
tag
approve
you
of this.
You want me to tag you? I can tag
No,
you in this.
no, I quit doing. I used to try to be a YouTuber, and then I quit because I had haters.
Okay.
They would say, "Oh, the
I don't
Uber."
care.
He's
I
like, "Oh, the fake
don't
fake
care.
guy,
Oh my god.
super not funny at all." And I'm like, I don't do it
I'm
anymore.
Live. This.
I do not. You
driver
cannot
is
live.
Talking so much.
Yo, chill.
And the only reason we're in a G-Wagon is because our personal driver couldn't take us.
I know, it's so annoying.
Excuse
So-
the filthy car.
I know. Look.
Filthy car. This is my. You know, I had to work minimum wage.
You should record him. I feel
I'll
like
give you.
Do
like
not
$5.
record me. Don't
Why?
record me.
this could be your rise to fame.
Yeah.
Are you recording me right now?
Just being in...
I'm recording you, so
I have to sign an NDA if you want. Like, you have to sign an NDA if you want to
That is
record me.
very true. I think we might actually have some here.
Yeah.
So
Do you want me to
can't
like
even-
airdrop you one?
Oh, perfect.
Right?
Can
That's
you
what I
send us
said.
this footage too? Actually, the lighting is really good.
Yeah.
no, I'm not
Oh.
sending you footage. This
Why
is for
not?
insurance
Oh my God,
to protect
whatever.
myself against people like you.
Whatever. I don't really care at this point. I just want to get to the event.
Right, I know.
you
Can you drive faster? Honestly, you're driving
Yeah,
at
like
a
you're driving
snail's
really, really
pace.
slow.
I'm in a residential neighborhood. I'm not speeding. There's kids around.
I feel like we should sue him. I feel like
Right?
that'd be such a good idea.
Oh my
Right?
gosh.
That'd be great.
Like, we have the
Can you
resources.
start driving faster or I'm gonna sue you?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
that's good. No, record this too.
Yeah, I'm gonna record you.
Oh my gosh, love it.
Right? Like,
You know what? I'm not doing this.
famous TikToker getting harassed by an Uber driver.
Yes, we're gonna be trending for sure. Oh
Yeah, definitely.
And then we should do
Hashtag.
Hashtag.
Oh, stop! Oh my God!
Can you please be quiet?
Like hashtag sue Uber driver.
Yeah, hashtag
That's a sound.
cancel Uber drivers.
Oh, there we go.
Right?
What's your name again?
I'm not telling you my name.
Oh my
We'll
God.
figure out his name. We'll do
Yeah, figure out
cancel,
his-
then whatever his
Cancel
name
whatever
is.
your name
My
is.
name's
I don't
Dylan.
care. I'll just ask my
Oh,
manager.
perfect. Hashtag
Okay.
cancel Dylan.
Hashtag cancel Dylan, yeah.
No,
I'm just gonna
please.
Hashtag Uber.
I'm just gonna tell my manager to like the PR. Yeah.
What do you mean you have a manager? Are you? Who are you?
Can you send us this footage? It looks more
I'm
real, right?
Dixie D'Amelio, so
Oh, you're Dixie
watch your
D'Amelio.
mouth.
I thought you shaved your head.
It's a wig.
It's a wig.
I can't wear wigs
21st
anymore.
century. people
Yeah,
wear
think
wigs.
about it.
That's
I feel like
kind
that
of
was
See
a-
my videos? I wear wigs sometimes.
I feel like that was a very impulse thing. Like, why did you do that?
Why
Because
are
I feel like it. Like I can't do something.
And she doesn't need to like.
I
tell
just
you
feel like that's a
why.
very like feminist thing to do. Like, I don't know.
Why are you bringing feminism?
Yeah,
into
like why are you being
this?
so racist?
How does that have anything to do with racist?
And
See?
sexist?
Right?
Sometimes you're all of them at the same time.
You know what?
Is that weird?
I'm not doing this. You want to cancel me? I'm canceling this ride now.
What?
So you guys get to get out.
Are you serious?
I
Right
just
now?
canceled the ride. Ride's
Oh
off.
my god, I can't believe you.
There's only 15 minutes. You guys can walk.
Stop.
Okay, that is crazy. We're
What
not
are you
gonna get out.
doing?
We're not
I'm
gonna
not.
get out.
I'm not gonna get out.
Oh, you should record him. So
The ride's
like,
the ride's
I'm
over.
gonna record you.
I'm literally recording
I'm
you.
for my TikTok.
Recording you.
I
Oh
have like
my God.
150 million on TikTok.
For my TikTok.
Everyone
Who
is
cares?
gonna see this. You understand
Yeah.
that?
I don't
You're gonna
care.
get
So,
canceled.
can you please drive us and we won't
Mhm.
This
post
is not real life. You can get out.
Mhm.
This is
We are in real life.
okay. Well, take your
So-
like
Yeah. What?
just take your shaved head and leave.
You know what? That's offensive. I love my shaved head. It's the best thing that ever happened to me.
You should shave your head.
After having a mental breakdown, like that's the best thing you could ever do. That's called therapy.
Yeah, I know. I heard your song that you don't want to be sorry or whatever.
Oh my
so
gosh.
listen to your song.
Oh, so you're a fan.
I'm not a fan though. It's the
Do you
worst
want
song
an
of all
autograph?
time.
Oh, maybe he wants an autograph.
Yeah, you want an autograph? Is that what you-
drive us?
Can you just
Yeah.
get out of my car, please? I have another
Oh
ride
my
to do.
gosh.
I just got another ride
We
request.
don't need to deal with
Yeah,
this.
we don't have to deal with it. I'm gonna call my manager. Like you're gonna get.
Oh, you're
sued.
calling my manager. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna call you.
All right. Have fun with that. Don't slam the door on your way out.